I open buy because the Vfxalert signal shows a strong enough up signal. You can see the signal is still 3 in a row and the color of the Vfxalert signal is still light green. I think the market is still going strong. I used 2 minutes and it opened $100. Let's see the results, guys. Let's wait for the time to finish. Is this signal working well? Let's prove it. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe and activate the notification bell, so you don't miss it when I upload the latest video from my channel. Profit, guys. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. Bye bye.